Which deer hunting crossbow is actually worth your money? Simple question, but the answer's not so straightforward. Every brand claims speed, power, and accuracy, but only a few deliver when it really counts. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you the 5 that actually perform in the field. Product number 1, BLISSWILL Hunting Backpack. Now, this isn't a crossbow, but hear me out. If you're serious about deer hunting, you need gear that keeps up. The BLISSWILL Large Hunting Backpack caught my eye because it's built specifically for bow and rifle hunters. Priced under $55, it's not trying to be flashy, just functional. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 40L capacity and multiple compartments mean you can stash your crossbow bolts, rangefinder, calls, and even a small tripod without everything getting tangled. The padded weapon sleeve fits most compact crossbows snugly, and the MOLLE loops let you attach extra pouches. Plus, the noise-canceling fabric actually helps. No more rustling plastic scaring off deer. You'll thank yourself. Over 900 sold last month shows real hunters are trusting this pack. Now, some people complained about the lack of detailed reviews, and honestly, that's fair. With 0 ratings, it's hard to gauge long-term durability. But at this price point and with the features packed in, it's a low-risk investment. Just don't expect premium leather or lifetime warranty-level build quality. Skip this one if you need ultra-lightweight, ultralight setups or plan on hiking 10 miles deep into the backcountry. For the price, it's solid value. Product number 2, Killer Instinct Boss 405. Alright, now we're into actual crossbows. The Killer Instinct Boss 405 is one of the most talked about mid-range hunting crossbows out there. Even without listed pricing, its 405 FPS speed and 134 ft-pounds of kinetic energy make it a serious contender for deer-sized game. If you want raw power in a compact, manageable package, this one's hard to ignore. Here's why this matters for you specifically. At just 6.7 pounds and a 14.75-inch cocked width, it's built for tight spaces, like tree stands or thick brush, where bigger crossbows get clumsy. The adjustable stock and foregrip mean it fits shooters of different sizes, and the included 4x32 IR scope gives you clear visibility in low light, which is when deer are most active. Killer Instinct backs it with a limited lifetime warranty, which speaks to confidence in build quality. Now, some people complained about the stock feeling a bit plasticky under heavy use, and I'll be real with you, it's not the most premium feel. But for a crossbow this light and fast, some trade-offs are expected. It's still durable enough for regular hunting seasons. This is perfect for you if you hunt from elevated stands or need a lightweight, fast-shooting crossbow that's easy to carry. Skip this one if you want ultra-quiet operation or plan on taking long-range shots beyond 40 yards. It's a killer balance of speed, size, and value. Product number 3, Big Shooter 3D Buck Target. Wait, another accessory? Yeah, but stick with me. The Big Shooter 3D Buck Target isn't just for fun, it's essential practice gear. Priced accessibly and built to mimic a real deer, it helps you tune your crossbow before season opens. If you want to build confidence and precision before taking that first real shot, this target delivers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 25% larger insert core means more surface area to hit, reducing frustration during practice. The realistic 33-inch shoulder height and life-size dimensions, 38x10x48 inches, train your eye for actual field judgment. And the one-hand arrow removal, huge win, no more wrestling with stuck bolts after a long session. Ground stakes keep it stable, and removable legs make storage easy. Now, some people complained about the plastic construction feeling flimsy in windy conditions. And honestly, it's not meant for extreme weather abuse. But for backyard or range use, it holds up fine. Just don't leave it out in a storm. This is perfect for you if you're serious about accuracy and want realistic practice without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you only shoot paper targets or already own a high-end 3D system. Well, for the price, it's a smart training upgrade. Product number 4, Centerpoint Dagger 405. Now, if the Boss 405's plastic feel bothered you, the Centerpoint Dagger 405 brings a more rugged build. With 405 FPS and a hefty 220-pound draw weight, it's built for hunters who prioritize power and silence. If you want a crossbow that hits hard and stays quiet in the woods, this one's a strong player. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The whisper silencing system includes limb dampeners, string stops, and silencers, so when you shoot, it's barely louder than a whisper. That's critical when you're trying not to spook nearby deer. The 15-inch axle-to-axle cocked width keeps it maneuverable, and the CNC-machined aluminum rail ensures consistent, accurate shots shot after shot. Now some people complained about the weight. 27 pounds isn't light, and that can add up on long hikes. But that heft also helps absorb recoil, making follow-up shots smoother. This is perfect for you if you hunt in close quarters where noise matters and you want a durable, no-nonsense shooter. Skip this one if you're backpack hunting or need ultralight setup. It's a powerhouse with real field presence. Product number 5, Killer Instinct Logi X435. Finally, the Killer Instinct Logi X435. This is for hunters who want maximum speed and smart engineering. At 435 FPS and 210-pound draw weight, it's one of the fastest crossbows here, and the 56% let-off makes cocking way easier. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The X-Cam system delivers smooth, powerful shots with minimal vibration, and the illuminated 4x32 Lumix scope lights up in low light, perfect for dawn or dusk hunts. The included decocking trigger box lets you safely unload without firing, which is a huge safety plus. Plus, it's compatible with a crank system sold separately for effortless reloading. You get premium bolts, a quiver, and rail lube all in one kit. Now some people complained about the weight. 1 pounds is heavy, especially if you're moving often. And honestly, it's overkill for small game or casual shooting. This is perfect for you if you want maximum speed, advanced features, and don't mind the extra weight. Skip this one if you're mobile hunting or on a tight budget. It's a premium tier crossbow with serious punch. So which one's best? The BLISSWILL backpack is a stealthy support hero. The Boss 405 wins for lightweight power. The 3D target builds real skill. The Dagger 405 delivers silent strength. And the Logi X435, that's for hunters who want the fastest, most advanced setup. Each has its place. Pick the one that matches your hunt style, not the hype.